little space for work. You do all up on me, sometimes I do order, you're in on my neck back, kiss every minute, like, I need space. If you want to come out of the house, that's your business, but I'm telling you, yo, Bridget, you're annoying, bro. You know, I'm a very peaceful Wayne there.
For real?
So come out. You're annoying, you chat too much and you're too loud.
Beat is obvious, you're diamond up with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
So guys, RASHKAMAR, I tell him say, figure actually me there work, right? I decided to prank RASHKAMAR or get like a reaction video. So an idea came to me and I was sitting here. Normally on him day off, he's here with me. So I'm hanging out with me to help me, you know, do things, whatever. So, and trust me guys, I love him company, I enjoy him company. When him tell me say him off, I just get so excited because I know I'm gonna have company. So him there with me and whatever. So I get a little break now. I ask him to go warm up the coffee for me. So I want to do a quick video upon him. I tell him, say, yo, him annoy me while I'm there working. I need to come out of your room. And if I go in the living room, I need to go in a different place in the house. Because him annoy me. And I can't get to do my work. And it just get to me. And I just never know what to tell him. But today is the day. I have to tell him, say, yo, come out of this. You feel me? Come out. So, guys, I'm going to hurry up before him come back. We're there. I'm going to set up the camera. Wait for him come back. Him soon come because him just gonna warm up the thing for me. So guys, wanna stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, Team NIQUE all day, every day, baby. Alright, stay tuned. Stop touching me. Yeah. Can you watch TV out there? Yeah, and then every minute me keep on after that to call. Right. And you burp, and the call people that call, you burp, you fart, all of them stuff. It's distracting. Can you just watch TV out there? Or nobody turn on about the TV?
I mean about turn on the TV.
Yeah, we can't work with you at the TV.
Yo, chill, man.
We can't work. And every minute me have to keep on. I said, you know, I'm very peaceful Wayne there.
For real?
When me at work, I'm very peaceful. Coming every minute me have to keep on. I tell you, sometimes I tell you, say, sometimes you're busting at the room. Babes, I'm there on a call. Me I said, John will start. I'm gonna keep on telling you to stop doing that.
Alright.
I don't like when I do when me at work. Yeah, annoy me.
Oh. Yeah, I know me. I talk this stuff.
I'm talking to you.
Me and you?
Yes, it's very annoying when I'm trying
You know
to
something
work.
believe you? Cause you know yesterday earlier, I said if Austin can come pick me up. You know?
Aren't you supposed to be going to work today?
Austin there bank from mine.
From so much hour?
Paper, he might do some paper man, to the business, you know, so don't know. But me not about to go out today.
Why?
You know, see about 1 o'clock now. What? And the drive what? 45 minutes, and by the time I reach, I'm gonna send. So you want me to come out of your house?
Let me just explain to you until you say.
Me ask if you want me to come out of your house.
If you want to come out of the house, that's your business. But I'm telling you.
No, I ask you. You want me out of the house?
You're annoying, bro.
For real?
For real, babe. I found what they want to tell you about me just to know how to tell you.
It's all good, man.
I want to tell me, but I don't know how to say it. But I know a while ago, me I get a call. Where from? I poop on all them.
So what's it? So I'm not fat?
Not while I'm on a call at work.
Me never fat when you call. Because me look before me fat. When I easy.
Me up on the phone, me up on the call with the person. This I can't say you know.
What?
Me up on the call, I'm like, oh my god, bro, I'm on a call.
Lie you tell.
Here we are.
Me burp, but me no burp like burp. You told a lie. So,
anyways, me don't really want you in here while me at work. When I come off of work, no problem. You have me all to yourself, everything good, we're good. But while me there at work, me just cannot. It's too distracting. Sometimes I do an order, you have the TV on. Me hear what the people that I said, me can't.
where you not go to work?
What the people that I said?
No, where can you go to work? Where can you take a home job? Where can you never go to the office?
What do you mean?
That me say, why you take one with the home? Why can you go out?
What make you not go your work? Me down my work.
Vacation,
Me down my work. Why
vacation.
you don't go to work?
Vacation.
You don't know no damn vacation. I call Austin because I don't understand how you up on vacation so long.
I saw it go. Rich, me rich.
Well, anyways, I don't care about your vacation or anything like that. All me I ask is if you can make me work in peace.
No, Devon, babe, stop it nice, man. Cause you get me Bringle now.
I don't care.
Sure.
You will get me Bringle. Cause you come like you not understand what I say.
What you say? The night.
While I'm at work from 8 to 5.
Hold on. Alright. So what you say? Me what you say?
While I'm at work from 8 to 5, if you are home and it's on your day off, can you please watch TV, do all your talking on your phone with your people, everything what you do, can you do it out there so because I'm in here so me work, this is my area and you make too much noise.
No problem. No problem, man.
What you look for?
Where breakfast will make? I want dash that bumbo clock.
Me name it already, it's in my gut, so come take out it.
So you only want me there in here when me can make breakfast or lunch or something for you.
So what your breakfast have to do with this now?
So if me I make nice in here and me fit you out there, that means me not fit do nothing for you then.
So all the little breakfast coming, so that means I not gonna do nothing for you neither then?
Yeah. That's why my granny grow me good now in a big people.
Yeah, listen. Me don't wanna
More rest up, man.
Me don't want you in here. Can you just go? No, because I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Me nah, come on.
I'm serious. Go.
Alright, let
go. Go on up yourself.
Move now. Hold on now.
Go on up yourself.
Come move now.
What we need to move? Alright.
Because
go on up
that's for me I walk.
Go on up yourself. I can't deal with you in here. Go on.
Watch it.
Don't push. Why now you push me now? Oh. Move for yourself. Go on. Please, stay up there. What else you need? Bring all these things with you. Hey, bring this too, because you'll come back in here. Bring everything where you want. Come on.
Hold on. Hold on.
You think I'm freaking playing, bro?
Okay, I'm going.
My need for work and pay, I can't take it anymore. I can't do it anymore. I know you're not listening on a beer argument I got in here today.
Well,
it's alright.
if you there work and you want knife in here, trouble me.
That's the thing. I don't want no noise.
So shut your mouth then.
I'm not gonna shut my mouth. I'm trying to explain something to you.
Me
so why you?
Me here already, me don't want you.
Alright then, I have nothing else to say.
Yeah.
Then you should be leaving.
So now leave me, I leave my
Okay, good. Gather up all your things. We need a little space for work. You do all up on me, sometimes I do order. You're in on my neck back, a kiss every minute, like,
oh.
I need space.
Okay. Okay.
Space, Virgin. They all up on me. Every minute you want a kiss. And all them something there. Like, I'm at work. You don't understand that?
Oh. That's good, man.
But that work. I can't focus on you and plus work. The other side work.
If you just from 8 o'clock to 5 if you out of the room. That you say? Every day?
Did you not hear me say that earlier?
No problem.
But most days you're not here because you're going to work. But I'm just saying, when you are here, please let me.
So that mean what you have to say? Alright, me I work every day. And the little time when me not there I work, you don't like when me there home?
Hear the noise you're making here. Hear the noise you're making. Because and I say all the time, I don't mind you there, but you can't be quiet. That's the thing.
So me can't stay in there just chilling. I don't say nothing.
You don't get it. You don't get when somebody don't want you around.
And that's it. So that me a blood clot asked you from earlier, say you don't want me Rona.
You just don't. But you, me don't want to just come out and say it and be rude.
No,
make
rude.
Make me feel away.
No, make me feel away, man. The blood clean.
You're too much. You're
too much.
You're too clingy. You're too much, Virgin. For real.
Blood.
You're too much.
You are telling me that you me all.
While I'm at work. While I'm at work. While I'm at work. I don't have a problem with you doing these things when I'm not at work.
Blood clot. You're wicked, you know. I don't mean left go work. You say, "Oh, my baby gonna leave me now." I saw you be.
And then after that, I said to myself, "What the hell me I say? I mean, no damn well I don't want the money now."
No, joke, yeah,
no, I'm not.
No, you can't. Alright, guess what? I'm going to see right there, so.
Hear that. This is exactly why I don't want you in here, because I have something here you do when me up on my call with the customers.
Do your next best then.
How am I gonna do my best? I can't control what you do.
Me talk about with me, because I'm not coming out. Do your next best, because you can't draw me out.
Yes, come on. No, for real. Come on, for real. I'm not joking. I'm serious. Why do you want to be around somebody that don't want you around? That don't even make no damn sense.
Alright then.
If I'm him gone a long time, you know one day here. Are they around here if you tell me to leave?
So if I you or you there still there, look what time I tell you for galambo your business. Give me my picnic and galambo your business. Years from
why you not take your pick? First of all, you're not take my picnic anyway. That's the first thing. Why you not take your picnic and leave? If that's the case.
Alright, no problem. Much time me I
yes, I said this don't really need no argument doing it. It turn into something
but all you have to top shot.
Bigger top than it needs to be. It's turning into something way bigger than it needs to be. It needs to be all of it.
Man.
That's what and that's exactly why I didn't want to talk to you, because I knew you was gonna act like this.
No, but y'all talk with attitude. That's talk. Are the attitude part?
Because you're not listening. You're getting me irritated.
Oh, you're not listening. Are you have me in? Oh, you know me not listen.
Okay, well, if I got you this ears and out the next ears, because it now register in your brain. Because you're still in here arguing with me. If it was registering and you hear what I say and you respect what I say, you would have just said, alright, babes, I'm sorry. So me interrupt your work, me go out this and chill.
You not hear me say a while ago. Me said the next best coming now, come out. My room too. That me say.
You know, something that just get me very ignorant, because it's like
I saw your
you take me for a joke.
I'm gonna mash up a plate.
You come talk about breakfast and all that. So what if they make me look at breakfast? What
all of a sudden after me make the little thing come here, come run me out?
Because that's when you started making noise and turning on the TV and watching murder mysteries and all of this.
Lie you tell. Murder mystery not.
Well, me hear something and that's something else I think you all this
a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And
sure, it's alright, babes. It's alright. Stay in here, rock in here, do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna just take up my desk and my things them and
yeah.
I'm relocate. I don't have time for this.
And I go out the door. Out the door if you go. Damn bright. You know what?
I don't want to hear you. I don't talk.
I'm good, man. I'm gone shit.
First of all, you don't even do nothing. Yeah, go on. A long time I couldn't wait for you to go on. Well, maybe we can work in peace now. I don't have nobody that trouble me. I don't have nobody that
stop chatting on, man.
fought for me. And nobody that come burp. You know,
Stop chatting on. Look up, make me there in the living room and be a nice here.
So why you come back in here? You work. I'm working.
I want to sleep.
I'm working. So when the people them call, you tell them to shut up. When the customer them call, you tell them to shut up. Because I work me there, you to shut up. Am I 9? Trust me. I mean, let's everyone did be so rude, but you don't get it. People like them, they have to blunt with them. You can't be like, oh, do you think you want to go out there so I can finish my work? No, you have to say, come out. You're a 9, you chat too much and you're too loud. And that you have to tell them kind of people there. Back to my work, we can work. Ooh, thank you, Lord. We can work in peace, no one gone. Thank you, Lord. You see what I'm saying? And come back in here. No, you're trying to be funny now, and it's not even funny.
You don't see me at night?
I try to finish my work.
Where remote there?
The remote? Remote for... You're not getting a remote. What do you need the remote for? You're not getting it. Are you bug up, pan and rock, bug around?
We can't find anyone out there. Let me never go to the TV or something. Man, we can't find anyone out there. I chill out there. You know run me out.
Okay.
Shut
I'm going up this. I'm not in the damn mood to be done with this tonight. Actually, today. Oh, excuse me. Look there. Me a burp. Things just a rub off on me.
Yeah, man. Yes, you come in, you can't cut yourself.
Babes, for real. I'm not playing. Seriously. Y'all are finding show now for watch.
I'm watching a show. That's something I look for. And then leave.
I bet you're not watching a show in there today. I'll just plug out this blood clot.
I'm plug out your work, you know?
Oh, you watch TV. I know you make me act belligerent. Please just go on.
You know at least.
Can you just go? Can you just go, please? I'm not in an argument right now. I need a positive mind state to finish my work. I don't want you to put me in a bad mood while I'm at work. Please, just go on. You can't go on with this, so please. Remember, just work in my area in peace, please. Please and thanks. So why you leave with the 2 remote?
No nice nothing.
You can't watch no fire stick out there.
No nice can't make. No nice.
So you don't need to trouble the remote. Me not touch it. Me not turn on the TV.
No nice nothing make.
Put down the remote because you have lost the remote and you can't find it.
Me buy that next fire stick and this can work on it also. 1 second and one. So you never call. You never call the remote.
You know what? The argument you look with me today. I'm in the mood.
You know, some should really blood clot you and I work for you. You know, in a real life, what?
So we have to promise supper.
I
don't want... Babes, come on, man. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is what you do. I'll be in the middle of an order. You want to kiss. Kiss? You can't kiss me. Ah, dear babes. Like 12 years.
Yeah, that me say all
12 years with you. You can't kiss me. Ah.
So not all day me want.
I don't want to kiss all day, babes. I'm serious. I'm not joke either. I'm serious. I'm not joke. I can't play with the people that work like that. And when the people that are called, I be nice and make the people that say no nice in the background. Why I don't know why me go take up a work from home job to blow out. God no. It's like me just can't focus, man. You see if me just chill and lay down in the bed and just watch what me I do or whatever, I dip on him phone and put in him earpiece, I won't have no problem. Look how much time Devon in here. And she have in her earpiece and she there do her thing and me there work. But no. Him have to be extra. That's why I don't want him in here. I'm just tired of it now. I just don't freaking get him think me a joke. Got him gone. But don't come back in here. I haven't even finished my damn work. Guys, I'm gone to the living room. I'm really go for true. You know, some of them I know him would have go. I did not know he would have listened to me and gone to the living room. I'm gone in there. I want to see where I'm going to go fast on him. So where am I? Baby, you can come back in the room. I miss you.
I'll be a fuck man.
Baby, where are you out here?
Now you just blood cleat run me out.
I miss you. Come back.
You see, I see him to me, I tell him I gotta work. You say, oh baby, you gonna go work. Miss you, and now, you see?
You know, I joke, me, you know I'm love when you're there with me when I work. You don't,
I'm
a little company.
Like saying understand. So I'm just leave you alone. Because I'm not in an argument.
Come, my baby.
I'm a bad man.
Come, my baby. Let's go back in my room.
Go on, soon.
We got work.
I'm done sleep.
Come, baby. We got work. Come. We got work. Baby. You don't love me, baby? Me don't want you in the room. You annoy me.
That's somebody else.
Me don't want you in there. You're too annoying.
Move from side of me, man. You chat too much, man.
Pop up the place and I fart up the place. And I burp up the place and I make beer nice. I don't want you in there.
Like she not fart.
You need to go your work. Austin, where you there? Come get him in Austin.
Austin got, so I deal with some papers, man. Know yourself. Dog, I set the thing the right way. Leave him alone.
Austin, you need to dip on time. You need to go on. You need to go work on time. You need to late. Cause when him not go work on time, he might interrupt my thing.
You see where she do all ago? And our phone probably not ringing.
Probably ring your phone because no, I gotta go.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Just let me go. People, oh my God, me run back. Woo! We'll probably get a call. No, I'm not getting a call. Thank God. People, yeah. Me have to run him out of this, man. I want to him. He have to come out. I want him. Why? We have never fixed this. Oh, you mean? Where am there? Yeah, come out. Come out here. You can't.
Nice.
Come out here. You're not staying here.
I'm glad enough at this car right now. You're trying to make me get hot.
Why, baby?
Because you tell me fuck in my ears, man.
You think you feel that way?
What you mean?
Like, all of a sudden she run me out here and look how much time I'm in here with her from my day off. I'm in here with her chill. No, sure.
You know, nothing to do, man.
Come out. Why you do it back in here?
So where camera for now?
Come out.
Where camera for?
It's a prank.
This a prank?
Yeah? Or if it's a prank, then I forget your reaction.
So you get reaction out of me?
Yeah.
I saw me chat.
You get up and leave, didn't you?
You send me home. You send me home.
But you listened. You listened.
Oh, so
You'd have to pull me out of this. If I did me.
If it's true, I know you or human being behave. I never follow you know.
Me want a gunman in a me go. No, look at what you know me.
Chat too much, man.
Hey, but I chat more than you.
Eat that thing, man. I mean, want to sleep, you know.
Go to sleep, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle.
You want to see your face? Look.
Anyways, people, I have to go back on my work. I just decided to pull a quick little reaction video upon him. Tell him, say, yo, I need to go with one side and move for us when I work. I want to him. Them never hire him. I me them hire. So yeah, he need to go around, so I make me get for work. You see me? Yeah. So anyways, people, spam up the comment section. Team NIQUE. Yeah.
Rash Nation.
Rash Nation, my backside. Anyways, Team
Rash
NIQUE, like I
Nation.
said.
Rash Nation.
Anyways, Team NIQUE, and yeah, make sure set uno subscribe. Hit the bell notification, click all so you guys can receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Leave your comments down below, not on Instagram, not on Facebook, not on WhatsApp, but down below in the comment section, okay?
Yeah, plug your TV now. You know don't talk now. You know don't say yeah.